from Madrid. This has been a really nice week for Frequentis as a group.
Hello from WATMC 2019 here at the Frequentis booth.
3 days packed with innovations for a safer world.
The demonstration we have here in Madrid is about Mosaic.
Mosaic is our ATM integration platform for voice and data applications.
It's now possible then to integrate different applications on one screen. For instance, you can have a radar picture view combined with voice communication on one screen. Services, for instance communication services, could be provided from an ANSP to another ANSP.
It all starts with creating diverse infrastructure by combining different devices, links and software. VitalSphere ATM Great Networks, the foundation for resilient air traffic management.
So this application is called SmartSys, enhance the situation awareness for a controller by providing information about airspace and weather information.
GIS tools, publication management tools, integrated briefing, charting, electronic terrain obstacle data management.
Bringing together a single picture of what's going on in the air, knowing there's a thing in the air there, and then crucially, understanding whether or not a thing in the air is supposed to be there or not.
We demonstrate here the use of multi-remote tower. So you see here 2 times the panoramic view as well as the pan-tilt zoom camera, a leading system and a lot of experience gathered in the past.
Integrate the entire surveillance chain.
The system itself is scalable from ground to unlimited, from tower via approach to ACC or UAC components.
This is our integrated working position. For the first time we can show 6 different Frequentis products in one single working position.
Frequentis together with our friends from Qantas and Smart for Aviation. We won a Janes Award for technology.
It was a very good time to be here with you.
Very good discussions, and I'm more than sure that we'll have many opportunities afterwards.
Looking forward to meet you again, not only in the Council AGM in June, but also World ATM 2020.